equals this. There we go, so we don't have to keep rewriting it. So print A, I think we're good with that. Let's go ahead and Q or the next two. Zero point zero. Okay. What? Did we break? We broke it. Okay. Right. We need to put this after the for loop. Because we don't know. We don't calculate S until the for loop. There we go. Did we fix the first two? Yes. Did we get the second set? No. Okay. So quadratic, they're looking for square root of the sum of the numbers divided by the amount of numbers. Ooh. Right. Dang it. That's okay. We can do this. So let's take the int off of there, and now let's do int there. So we'll deal with absolutes, like some Sith. Deal with exact numbers there. Nope, still messing up. Okay. Also way off too. So let's see, what is test 6? So it's looking for wait, is it just lying to us? That just looks like the average. Square root of oh. Wait, what? The square root of 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared. Ooh, this is gonna get ugly really quick. Let's see. Yeah, you can do mean from statistics. That was one of the ones, you're right, I was looking at. That's option number 3. You can do, like, this is what I found on the webs. You can do a loop, which we do here, or you can do sum and length, which I figured both of those, and then I had problems with the sum being, and then you have, yeah, the statistics module, which might still be a way to go. You never know. That might actually still be a way. I mean, statistics is a big word, but already we're doing, I mean, is it longer than this? So, I don't think so. But then you gotta import the, and I try to avoid using these so I can get rid of those lines as well, but I mean, if I'd have to. Let's see. So, then geometric, and then it just throws in I mean, it's not going to be shortest, but let's go for completion at least. So here, flux equals the int squared. So, and then this would be if, so now we're back to, oh wait. We already have this logic, so let's take that back out. Have that only execute if it's Q, then we do that. And then if it's A, then we do this. Then geometric, I have no idea, but let's go ahead and keep going with this. So we calculate the average differently. We're either summing up the squares, and then we also have to do s equals s to the 0.5. So we're doing the square root of our total there. Also, wait a minute, what? Hold on, I'm doing that wrong. Because the quadratic, we've got the square root of all of that, of the average. So we're squaring them as we're adding them, and then we would still do this part. Yeah, this isn't going good. Alright, we'll do it there. We gotta do it there before we do, and then a equals the square root of a. I think that's about it. And then at the very end we can print a. So we can actually just take this out. Let's see, that totally break these first two? No, still got it. Okay. Did it break the second two? Okay. Now, whatever geometric is, let's go. We got 2 minutes. Let's look at geometric. So we got the count of the numbers, root the product of the numbers. So we'll do another of these, and we have n, so we can do the length of that. So let's go ahead and do that. Oh, sorry, I also took away the chat. Okay. The square of the individual numbers before some. Yes, yeah. Good call, coding OA. That's yeah, we got that now. Now we need to do that, but it's not going to be that. It's going to be count of the numbers, root the product of the numbers. So it's going to be the length of it it's like length of n times the square root of the sum, the product, oops, to the 0.5, and then we got to do times equals. Okay, found 2. Yeah, those are busted. We've got less than a minute to figure it out. I mean, yeah, no, it's all good. I've noticed that too. There's like a good, at least like 30-second delay, I think. So, we got most of it. Let's shore up our 500 length code. We don't need all those. And since we didn't use math, we didn't need any of that. I mean, oh, and then I often have a problem with this. I break this a lot. See, it's supposed to go there. 3, 2, 1. Okay. My current code. $66. Okay. Yeah, about 2/3 of it. Oh, let's see some Python. Okay. So if it's this, sum divided by length. Okay. Oh, and then he did. So that forces it to be an int, and then I'm guessing. And then if it's q. Oh. Thanks for the tip. I'll have to look at that because I'm not a fan of the delay. I mean, I like to see things as in real time as we can. Speaking of which, let's look at Mr. Karpin's code. Ruby is such a mystery to me. Look at that. It's all ba-doom, ba-doom, ba-doom. Although that does look very similar to that other one that we were just looking at. You've got your conditionals, there's your sum and your length. Very similar, like if you were to keep going back and forth between these. Let me see. I'll do a few more clashes and then I'll try to see if I can cut down or figure that out, because I mean I'm sure it's just a little, because I use Twitch Studios, so let's see. If your connection allows you can reduce the setting for the delay in the Twitch settings. So maybe, well, yeah, that looks like something I might need to look up, or not. Let's see. Huh. Because I never really use this control panel as much as I should. I've got, I'm also still pretty new to streaming too, so I mean this is all new. But anyways, also real quick, I wanted to see, oh whoops, no, you gotta do it like this. Is this a bot? So I'm just curious. We can go ahead and close that out too. I think there's just a lot of people on CodinGame too. Yeah, see? It's a bot for Clash of Code. But they make them so realistic. Like, that's such a cool picture. They give a specific location. They give it legend. Anyways, I was just curious about that. So whenever I see that, I'm down for another couple. And then, yeah, like I said, I'll check out that. The delay. In fact, let me write a note. Fix Twitch delay. I also noticed I'm a little glitchy, so yeah, I'll Google it. So, but I'll do that off stream. So, all right, yeah, because I've been watching. Oh, let's see. Throw it in the chat. Okay, because I've been doing a lot of YouTube videos on how to fix up things, and then all the test cases don't cover everything. Yeah, that's a common thing in CodinGame, I've noticed. Let's see, that was that one. Alright. But yeah, I'm actually in the process of making my own emotes. So. Oh, really? It could be, and then they just switch it? They did actual stuff on them? Yeah, because that looked like the medals that they had the one of the legendary ones, which is what I'm about 150 to 200 clashes away from getting my legendary clashing medal. So which version of Python is move? Yeah. So I don't know, I just got stoked when I saw Ukraine. Like whenever I see Russia and Ukraine, because I hope that, you know, doing stuff like this is good enough to keep their minds off of things. But you know, I don't know. I'm sitting over in here in America where I don't gotta worry about it. But anyways, what? What in the world? I've never seen this one. This is oh, I'm so confused. Well, I know it's not summing all the ASCIIs of every character in here, because that would be way more than 33. But then we have 25. So it's almost like if there's a capital... How many different ways can we manipulate a beef and make it equal 64? Is there a smaller one? Okay, so only 4 letters. Oh wait, I think I figured it out. I just don't know what the other one is, but let's see. We'll do count equals 0. Nope, Carpin figured it out. So what I'm thinking, it's a count of the numbers. So return string equals that. Return string plus equals string of length s. And then, so like here, where was it? We got 4. So we got 4 plus, I don't know what that means though. 6. 10 minus the capitals? No, because then we've got 7 characters here. And what's the 5? Got 8 characters here. So I think we figured out the first digit. We got the first digit. Pretty sure that's 6. Then if there's a capital, it's 10 minus the capitals. Right, so we have, let's go ahead and test that. So we've got print return string. Let's do it on test 6 because I want to see if we get a 29. 35. Okay. Let's see, for the other ones, do we get the first digit? Yeah, 8, 85. 4 and 46. 6 and 75. Okay, so what makes that? Oh, maybe I didn't figure it out because we got A, B, C, D, E, F. I thought that was twice. No. Hey, what's up, Tom? Welcome. A very perplexing reverse mode here that I thought I had figured out with like the length of it or the count of characters being the first digit. But that's not the thing. So it could also be I want to say it's something to do with, you know, there's a difference between capitalized and lowercase, and then like it's like a scoring system. Like, so if there's a capital letter, then add a score. If there's a decimal, nice. So yeah, because that breaks the whole length thing. However, it could be the length of the actual alphabetical digits. But then here, so it's almost like if there's a capital letter in there, then do something. Otherwise, do something else that would affect the overall number. But still, really looks like, you know, the length is the first one. I can't get away from that, like, because that's 8 and then 4, but then that's not, so I guess I do need to abandon that train of thought. So, and also then we start getting punctuation thrown in here, and then the numbers start getting all, but then at the same time we're also drastically increasing the size of the input. So anything that, yeah. Then we got these short little ones. We got 3, we got 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. Is that an email letting me know? No. What a world we live in. You could just get a computer mailed to you on an accident. Alright. So what else could be going on here? We've got, let me see the length of 5. So 14. So if we were to start with the length and then manipulate it somehow, we would have to subtract. Yeah, look at which letters are present. Yeah, I was thinking something like it could be sum up how, if it was one of those ones where A is a 1 and B is a 2. And if that's the case, I'm trying to remember what that nifty command was. It was like dictionary equals ASCII dot. It's a lot of dunders. Anyways, making a dictionary out of that and then scoring it. So, well, yeah. So for like a short one, B would be 2, E would be. Then again, no, I'd almost say because B is 2 in a lot of challenges, and then E, A, B, C, D, E would be 5. But then, so it's like, of the first one, C is 3. Or like this one, if you're doing 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. I don't even know if we need to do that because it's like 10, 15, 18, 20, 21. So it's not that, because then that wouldn't be 75. And then, uh-oh, and now I think I'm starting to lag a little bit. Well, yeah, so we don't need that. So I'm thinking capitals. I don't know. Yep, they gave. No, get out of here. A beef, a deaf, babe face, a beef, a decade, a bee. Well, I don't know. I'll admit it. I don't know this one. And I'm curious. We'll go ahead and wait for Martin to finish up too, but let's see what it was. Oh, a hex. So you're summing the hex value of it? Read line replace. Uh, what is that? It's never mind. Okay. What was this person from? I see another Ukraine. Or no, London? I'm confused. Anyways, so was that all it was? It was just the hex value, summing them? Let me think. The hex of B. Let's see. Hmm. 130. No, you threw in 2. Yeah. I don't know. I'm thinking it was the hex. And yeah, and then looking at Karpin's, let's see. He's mapping the hex and then he's summing it. I'm guessing, I don't know. That's very concise Ruby, but let's see. Yeah, I don't know. Alright, and as eager as I am to figure out, or to get to the bottom of this computer mystery, I think I'll do one more and then call it a stream. I might try to jump on later today. See, I want to do some more web dev on my project because it's starting to come along. It's also starting to get some recognition. Oh no! Hold on, sorry, I'm jumping out of that one. It filled up too quick. Let's see, did I break it? Okay. No! Alright, maybe 2 more. We'll see if I can get this quick or not. Reverse. Upper, lower. Okay. Count, or no, index equals ord A. Okay, return string equals that for num in range n plus 1, make it inclusive. There we go, and then okay, so if case or trick dot lower equals lower, do that. Return string plus equals string index plus equals 1. Return string plus equals a space, else it's all the same except dot upper. Let's throw that all in parentheses because let's see if that worked, and then print the return string, chop it at -1. See how close we are. Okay, so we're adding the I need to look up, let's see, get char from int python. Okay. To get the first character, no. No. What is that? Convert, let's see. I think I can do convert int to char python. There we go. Sure. Not that. Sure. Because otherwise, it still gives me the digits. Okay. Let's take that back out. Okay. Okay. Do we get them all? Bada bing. Nope. Oh. Why? Oh. Let's look at an ASCII table. Does a curly bracket on ASCII table? Okay. What are curly to Z? Because for the lowercase z or the way that ASCII tables work. So where is curly bracket? Lowercase. Okay, so I think we're still spot on. And why? Oh. So to accommodate for that test, it would so we could do if char index dot is alpha. No, because there's a few different ways to go about this. I mean, my favorite way, if I had time, would actually just make a dictionary, and that way, or no, figure out with ASCII, then just do that. But since it's throwing uppercase and lowercase in here, we need to account for that. So I'm thinking if it's, what I was going to do is if it's is alpha, then apply the upper to it. Yeah, well, I mean, I didn't know if we had enough people for private clashes. We can. And actually, yeah, 4 out of 5. Oh, wait. Gotta take this back out. 4 out of 5, I mean, it's... Unless I broke it. Yeah, let's do a private clash. We'll end the day on a private clash. Or at least this stream. Like I said, I might try to come on another stream later. Although I might be doing CodinGame, or I might be doing an off of CodinGame stream, just doing some web dev. So, let's see. I say web dev, it's really more web design. But, anyways, yeah, let's do a private clash. Let me see, we need to go to the competes. And then do the private clash. Yeah, we'll do all of them. Even though I'm not good at the other modes, I still like to practice them. Alright. There we go. Let's see, you could also import the alphabet. It's a constant in string library. Ooh. I might actually put that in a note too. Import. Because that would make a lot of these challenges a lot easier. String library. I'll do a little research on that after stream. Okay. Well, I guess we do have enough for a decent private. So, is that everyone from the... So we got like 9 people in the chat. We got the... Okay. Get rid of these. I think this is the one for a private one. I mean, but we have our chat too, so. Alright. Let's go ahead and do a clash. Okay. from string import ASCII lowercase. I'm gonna write that down. Because I do a lot of like encryption projects too, so I work with the alphabet and then like iterating through it. So, in fact, I've been meaning to update my encryption algorithms to a little bit more modernized stuff. Let's see. Well, I guess I won't read this out loud to everybody since we're in here. What is this, the shortest? Yeah, exactly, Snoise. That's a good point. Actually, I think you mentioned that one of the last times too. I think I remember. I think it was you saying that, but definitely saw that before. In fact, can I copy and paste that? I can. Gotta love technology. So I'm gonna throw that in some notes. Okay, some stuff going on there. All right, there we go. Okay. Oh, oops. Throw that up there. If t in d of t plus equals 1, else that work? No. That work? Oh. Nothing. 21. What's going on? Key error. D. Oh, and also I took away the chat. Okay, there we go. Alright. Let's see what we're getting here. Okay, that's correct. So why key error on line 22? Ah, because M is an empty string, meaning it didn't update in this area. So we get the dictionary. Ah. that's not going to work either, because that'll be the same thing. I admit I do need a little more practice with dictionaries, accessing elements. In fact, let's go ahead and let me fix this. From dictionary, Python. Okay. Get dictionary value by key with get function. Let me see some of that. Okay, so dictionary dot get m. Okay, we can do that. Let's see if that worked. No, it did not. Alright, well. It looks like it's supposed to work. Oh, wait a minute. What am I doing? So, Control Z. I had... Yeah, no, let's still see that again. Oh no. Key error on line 23. Well, let's go back even further. Well, no, that's still going to do the same key error. But let me get back to where I'm getting... So now the dictionary is not working? Oh no, I broke my dictionary. Oh. Wait, no. No. That might be why. No. How did I break my dictionary? Let's see. Okay. I had it. I know I had it. Let's see. For I in range n, so that's how many number of times. If it's in the dictionary, increment it, else create it. So I'm not sure what I did to break it. And then I started getting into M and N's. Which I don't understand. Like sometimes I've noticed that. Like where change something down the way and then you break it further on. No. That does make sense. Oh. Reusing common variables and got it. Cheese. Okay. Let's make sure we're getting the dictionary. Whoa, that's a lot of. I'll take a look at that here in a sec here, Mr. Debugger. I want to try to do this without hints, just for since we're private clashing. But I appreciate the and I'll take a look at it here soon. So now I've got the. Okay, let's take this back out. Going for that completion. So now, so that's what I was doing. So even if I just did z equals, so the n was what was screwing it up. Oh, right. We're still printing that out. Because I had it to where... Wait. No. Okay. We don't have I deleted that. Large. I mean, got it working. Oh, we got 2 minutes. Oh, geez. There we go. Wait, why? Oh, same amount. And then... Oh, that's messed up. There's a couple of them like that. So if it's the... Okay. I got it. So... elif d item equals large, v equals true, v equals false, if v print that's a good way to check it, I'm thinking. There. Did that fix? Oh, we're getting down there. Okay, now shrink it down. I don't wanna break it, so I'm just gonna take out all this other stuff. Because I've done that before. You start taking out those spaces and the indents, and then all of a sudden the code breaks. So 13 seconds, 303, nice. Okay, so now let's see. So colors equals the dictionary for I in range n, t equals input if t in colors, there's t, nice. Okay. Well, that's okay, Scuffers. We can... Wait. Oh, you mean, yeah, okay. Yeah, you didn't realize it was shorter. So I was going to say, what are you talking about? You got the 100%. But, yeah, 379 characters. Let's see. Is it not? Share the code. Yeah. Which, I mean, Ruby just destroys in these shortest competitions. Look at Carpins here. Like, you can do a lot of stuff very concisely. Although I shouldn't just say that. I mean, obviously Carpin's got a lot of skill involved in this, but, I mean, Ruby itself doesn't guarantee a shortest, but it definitely helps. Same with Python verse. Did anyone do Java? Yeah, because Java is just painful in a lot of these challenges, and that's actually what I'm dragging my feet on. Yeah, so what I would be doing is I would be changing that to a single space, so you can take away the 4-space indent and make it a single space. But I often break my code doing that, because I'll forget to do, like, this one needs to have, 1, 2 spaces, whereas this one just needs 1, and then the way that it does it when you backspace, yeah, it makes it complicated. So yeah, and a lot of this, I mean, this could be like a ternary, like, single line thing, like, if this, do this, otherwise do that, but I like to have it spread out like this so I can understand what's going on, and then, I don't know, one of these days I'll get into those one-line zingers, but let's actually see. So a really short Python, though. Yeah, see, like this, so you're doing, or no, that's even more complex. So we're doing, oh, so this doesn't look like a dictionary. This looks more like, so you're doing the count of, wow, that's nifty. Okay. So yeah, that's a really good shortest mode in Python. Let's see. Also very short. Let's look at Snoy's. Yeah, very similar algorithm, it looks like. Although using a different tool, though. Collections as C. Wait, did we have that in? No, this was, honestly, I'm not sure what this is. It's very complex, but then here looks very similar, but it's a slightly different algorithm. But then you're doing see, that would confuse me right here. Like, we have multiple second and then the variable first, whereas in the other one we had it the other way around. Let's see. Then another Python. Yeah. Whoa, what language is that? Is that German? Gitash? Gitash? Are you from? Yeah, could be some German there. Nice. I used to speak very, very little German. My dad tried to teach me when I was a kid, but I never stuck with it. It would just be embarrassing. I'm much better at Spanish, because that's all they offered in my school. Nice. Alright, well, GG's everyone. Let's actually do another one, I'm thinking. That was fun. I mean, as much as I want to get to the bottom of this mystery computer, it just showed up at the house. Oh, whoops. I clicked the wrong thing. Hold on, bear with me. We can do another clash once CodinGame forgives me for... Oh, no, it is one. So we can do this one. Okay. If we do a fastest and we just kind of all nail it, which I've seen that happen before. There we go, and yeah, and see, that's how I usually code, just in general, Scuffer, is I like to make mine as verbose as possible so anybody stumbling into my code can understand what's going on and be able to work with it, use it, replicate it, whatever. So yeah, the shortest is definitely one of the harder ones for me. And then the reverse mode, sometimes those just, like, if I hadn't seen it before, thanks for the follow. Aguzken, we'll say that. Alright, so I think that's about everybody that's gonna join in. Got it good. Going once, going twice. And here we go. Oh, sorry, Tom. It looks like he just got in here. Well, or Tom. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing that as well. Not that I have the most understandable name, A-Rye. Alright, another shortest mode. Nice. With about the longest description. Okay. There we go. Oh, stretch. Yeah, we'll do that. Ugh. Oh, listen to all that popping. Jeez. I need to go for a run. Get loosened up. Alright. Oops. Let's see. Hmm. So for anyone doing Python, I found this nifty gem. But again, I mean, if you don't want hits, that's fine too. You can look away. And don't get me wrong, like, backseating is encouraged. Like, I mean, I love input on coding challenges and stuff, but when we're doing these private clashes, I think it's mostly fair if we do that. So, and what format are we looking at? Yeah, that's my... Oh, you got it? Nice. So I was actually doing it wrong. So we're actually doing a little bit of algebras, trying to find a value. But we have to do these first, it looks like. Wait, no? Yeah, yeah, because we got to find A and then we got to find B based on... So X is that, Y is that, and then from those two, we need to be able to find the third missing one, and then... So 10 is equal to A and B. Let's see. And plus, yeah, you got it, so you're right. I don't know why I'm explaining it. Because I still don't get it, because I'm trying to figure out how I need to, yeah, so. Mm-hmm. So... Hmm. Okay, so I got the formatting figured out. Oh, my computer's lagging. Apologies. First... actually, stream rewards. Just noticed something that whenever people redeem the stream rewards, it needs to pop up on the thing. So, rewards overlay. Nice. Cool. Anyways, back to the Bitwise. um, So it's like I understand how to calculate X, Y, and Z with these, but getting it back. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's always fun. You gotta like kind of like highlight it and see what kind of white space is hiding in their tests. Nice, got a couple got it. I don't know if I am gonna get it. I haven't done bitwise operators in forever, and this is like algebra with it. So we're trying to find like deconstruct it. Ah, nice, Mr. Debugger. Well, actually, like we'll do another one after this if you want to join our private one. Then also again, let's see, since I am getting close to the end. Ah, Mr. Debugger is streaming. Okay, cool. Well, let's we'll chat about this one for a bit, and then I think we can call that a day. Then we'll go ahead and raid Mr. Debugger's thing. And then I might lurk for a little bit, but I need to figure out why I have this equipment at my house. I mean, you know, and if I'm working or if I'm not. So, it's such a ridiculous concept. You gotta love it, though. If one good thing has happened from the pandemic, working from home is a new thing. Yep, I'm the same way, Scuffer. The plane blew up. That's it. So, sorry, everybody. My skills are not all the way on there. So we still got a few people trying though. Good luck with the rest of you. I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at the answers because I'm curious. I mean, I'll share it for what it's worth because I did have the formatting I think figured out. All right, so Python. Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1. so actually, let's go back. This was kind of what I was thinking along the lines of, is I was trying to remember the proofs that I used to study back when we were doing bitwise operators for at university. So like, because there were ways, there was like cumulative properties, stuff like that. Oh, yeah? Let's see, how did yours... I mean, 89 characters, that's not that bad. I mean, yeah, because you did... Yeah, I was trying to think back to those proofs because of stuff like this. Like, based on these... Wait a minute, what is that? Okay. Interesting. It's like 2 bytes worth of all ones, then -1? Anyways. But yeah, something like this concept, or a similar concept, because if you look at it, like the first one, what they did, yeah, they're doing ors. Wait a minute, or they're evaluating, but then I don't understand. Let's see, 05. Yeah, see, that's pretty slick. Let's see, exclusive OR, yeah, let's see this. Oh, XOR, yeah, exclusive OR. Wait, is that all it was? Or yeah, that's XOR. That's I keep thinking the OR is the bar, the XOR is the caret, and then honestly, I don't even know what's going on here, Carpet. You just got some black magic going on. It works though. You got 88%. So, I mean, and if you didn't have that extra line, this pad with zeros. Oh, okay, cool. Thank you for that. That makes sense. So, oh, formatting. Right. I've done that when I've been trying to do for problems that require dollar denotation. So like the cents, like you need the 2 decimal places, versus, yeah, I've used that F and then the single dash with the brackets, curly brackets, and then it's usually like 2D colon dot something weird. But anyways, every time I need to format something, I look it up, and almost every time I see something like that. So nice. Well, that was a lot of fun. We're going on a good couple hours, and excuse me. So I'm gonna go investigate what this big box is at my house, and might go to the gym, and then maybe hop back on a little later today. So see who all's on. However, we do have Mr. Debugger on. He's really new, so he's new like me. I know he was having some mic problems last time, but really good coder too. I like watching his stuff. So let's all get the... Oh wait, real quick, what's that? Yeah, you're looking for the XOR of all 3, and that's what I was trying to figure out. As I figured there was some combination of bitwise operations with those 3 inputs that would, and we learned about those in like our proofs, but didn't do so hot with that. But let's see. See, open 0 and Snoyes. Let's go back and look at that. So we got, okay, yeah, so it's like a handle to open. Yes, GG's all around. Well, except for me, I just kind of threw in the towel. I think Tom and I would both. He got 1 character. That was kind of fun. I've never seen 1 on that, but I think I'm gonna start doing that when I have no idea what to do. Just to get people, and then be like, oh wait, but he didn't get it. So, but yeah, so let's get ready to raid. I'm getting better at this, so I think, well, he doesn't need all the raid messages and raid hype, but let's go ahead and I am, let's see, Mr. Debugger, I think, and actually he was in here earlier, wasn't he? I think he commented. I just want to make sure that I'm rating the right. And yeah, Mr. Debugger. There we go. So I'm going to be ending all my streams like this, if I have 2 more people, which we do. So, raid. There we go. Oh no. 6 viewers. There's. Alright, raid hype. I don't know. I'll just throw some stuff in here. Also, I am working on more emotes, so we'll have some more on the channel. Let's see, I got an orange from Citrusine, then I've got my GGs from Al Gore. We'll do a couple of those. We'll do a couple of oranges. Just something to splatter around on the chat. Alright. Raids are always fun too. I mean, for streamers, because a lot of times, like, you'll just have like 1 or 2 people sitting there, and all of a sudden, bam, a lot of people. So, alright, we ready for the raid? And here we go. But thanks everybody for stopping by. I'll try to come on again. If not, I'll try to be on tomorrow. But always a pleasure. I always have a lot of fun doing these things, and I learned a lot too. So I appreciate all the help, all the advice. So it's gonna help me grow as a computer science professional. So, without a further ado, let us raid Mr. Debugger and continue the clashing goodness. So, thanks everybody. See yas.